Tiniyak ng mga nahalal na mambabatas na tutuparin ang mga obligasyon sa bayan. Ito ang binigyang diin ng 43 party list representatives na nanumpa sa Kongreso ngayong araw. Naritong ulat ni Sam Ramirez.
Nanumpa na ang 40 sa 53 party list representatives sa harap ni House Speaker Feliciano Belmonte bilang mga miyembro ng House of Representatives. Ayon naman kay Belmonte, malaki ang kanyang inaasahan sa mga mambabatas ngayong 16th Congress.
We expect the 16th to be better than the 15th. I can see that there are going to be peculiar problems for the 16th Congress, particularly in its last year. Definitely, I look forward to a good working relationship among those who compose the majority, among those who and in relations to those who may be in the minority.
Ayon naman sa ilang party list representatives gaya nila Gary Alejano ng Magdalo, Jonathan De La Cruz ng Abacada at Juan Johnny Revilla ng OFW party list na gagawin nila ang kanilang mga obligasyon bilang mga mambabatas na representante ng kanilang sektor.
We will be championing the cause of the Magdalo, which is good governance, anti-corruption, and of course definitely the sector where we came from,
Yes.
the former and retired members of the military and PNP, we will be their voice, and of course the Filipino people.
We will continue to champion education, training, and employment. These are the things that we would like to work on in line with our efforts.
Magbubukas ang 16th Congress sa unang araw ng Hulyo. Nag-uulat para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Sam Ramirez.